if you ever get stuck on an instrument or putting a piece of percussion in or a synth in, just move on. Just try something else, try something completely different, and try something the opposite to what you were doing. Don't get stuck in this sort of rut. Hi, this is Fabio at Studio 255. We're going to be taking you through how to make melodic techno with the Cr2 sample packs and some analog and digital gear. A quick way to change a MIDI, highlight them all, and then just hold Alt on your keypad and then up or down on the arrow pads on the D-pad, and you can just move up or down one sample, and you can actually do this in real time whilst it's playing as well. What I like to do, if I do something repetitive like this, at the end of 8 bars and at the end of 16 bars, have 2 different kind of licks, and that helps the phrase conclude, but also makes it more interesting for the listener. And that change in melody is so important because you've got the bass, which is not even a note, you've got the textures, which are God knows what, and then you've got these, which are creating something that's sitting over the top, which changes, which is nice, and again, it's just drawing your ear towards that. What I want to show you overall is workflow, how to get the best out of a session, how to make sure that you end up with a track by the time you're finished. The most exciting part is working with samples that I have created and showing you guys how to use them and how to layer them and how to create something new out of, I guess, something old.